Hey crafty friends, it's that time again for me to showcase the cards I made using my favorite clubs from Spellbinders. October's theme is winter, and these clubs will be great for all the winter holidays, including Christmas. Starting with the first card here, I have a cute reindeer hugging a pinwheel that helps spell the word joy. This card makes use of the Stitched Die of the Month club. So the Stitched Die club comes with a large pinwheel die as well as a second smaller die. The letters J and Y are included, as well as all parts for the reindeer. The nose is the only stitched part of the reindeer. So continuing with the stitched die, I made a second card, this time with no stitched elements. I did use dies from the bonus item that's included in this month's Deluxe Caboodle box. The Deluxe Caboodle bonus item is 4 dies. For the background, I used this month's embossing folder. The embossing folder this month is absolutely lovely. It features snowflakes as well as some holly, leaves, and pine needle branches. Card number 3 is a snowman pattern card. I colored the hats of the snowmen red, except for one that I decided to color green. And I finished it off with a sentiment and some coordinating enamel dots. So this pattern was made with the help of my Glimmer foil machine, and I used the Better Press plate this month. So the Better Press plate is a repeating pattern of snowmen. The set also comes with 3 sentiments: Made with Love and Snowflakes, Let It Snow, and Sending Frosty Wishes. I used my Better Press machine for the sentiment and my Glimmer machine with black foil for the snowman plate. So the next card is a big snowman face and wax seal. I did use some Hero Arts colored wax paste for the texture on the hat band. The snowman was made with the stencil this month, and this stencil is a 5-piece stencil that creates the whole image of the snowman. The wax seal is a square and says Merry and Bright. Now this month does not include wax beads, but you get some silver wax seal powder and the applicator. I used this powder to create the shimmer on each of my wax seals. This card is a fun winter card with a couple of people building a snowman. For this card, I used the die of the month, and I added a snowy background and some enamel dots around the sentiment. The small die of the month has a lot of dies to create the perfect winter scene. There's a tree die and a coordinating die for the snow. All the pieces for the snowman are included, and the last bunch of dies are used to create the 2 people who are building the snowman, including their coats, scarves, mittens, and boots. The sentiment on this card was stamped using the clear stamp set. I have both the clear stamp set and the coordinating dies if you do want both. Otherwise, you can just get the clear stamp set. So the clear stamp features so many sentiments, including a large sentiment stamp in the shape of a tree. This month, the coordinating dies are for all of the stamps, including the large tree. This is the final card that I made using this month's clubs. I created a shiny glimmer background for the fun window scene. And to make the shiny background, I used the Glimmer plate this month. And this full plate background is a unique snowy scene, and I like the hearts they added in the pattern. This set also comes with 4 sentiments: Joyous Noel, Merry and Bright, Sending Christmas Wishes, and Let It Snow and Sparkle. Now for the window scene of this card, I used the large die of the month. Like most of the large dies, this set is huge. There are so many dies included, and there are dies for the whole window frame, curtains, a snowy roof, tree, and a string of lights. This set also comes with dies to make a person pulling a sled, as well as some present dies. I think I need to make another card using these dies in the future. The sentiment is from the clear stamp set of the month, and I cut it out using the coordinating die. Overall, I love the winter theme this month. The stitch die and Better Press plate are my top favorites. Now thanks for watching this video, and Check out the links in the description box below, where I will have links to my blog, which has more information about the products I use to create these cards, as well as links to the clubs this month. Now thanks for watching, and have a crafty day. Bye!